Crafting a business from the ground up is one of the most rewarding journeys any individual can embark on, and when that business is built around something as timeless, versatile, and natural as wooden crafts, it becomes a venture filled with possibility, tradition, and personal creativity. At its core, the idea of turning wood into profit may seem simple. After all, wood surrounds us in our homes, in our furniture, in the objects we touch every day. But the path from a mere idea to a thriving, profitable enterprise requires vision, persistence, and a deep appreciation for both the artistry and the business mechanics that fuel long-term success. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of try-worthy wooden crafts ideas that turn spark to success and a profitable business. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. It begins with the recognition that every piece of wood, no matter how small or rough, carries potential within it. The spark of creativity is what allows someone to see beyond the surface, imagining not just a block of material but a sculpture, a bowl, a keepsake box, or a piece of decor that will carry meaning into another person's life. This is where entrepreneurship in wooden crafts begins, with imagination married to determination. When individuals start to explore wooden crafts as a possible business, they often discover that the raw material itself has an undeniable charm. Wood possesses textures, grains, and tones that are unmatched by synthetic materials, giving every creation a sense of authenticity. That authenticity is what modern consumers increasingly seek in an age dominated by mass production and digital screens. People crave objects that have stories behind them, that feel human and warm to the touch. This natural appeal becomes the backbone of any enterprise rooted in woodcraft. The craftsperson's role is to harness that natural beauty, elevated through skill, and presented in a way that resonates with a market hungry for originality. And here lies one of the most vital steps in turning an idea into a business, understanding that what you create is not merely an object, but an experience. A handmade wooden clock, for example, is not just a timepiece. It is an heirloom, a statement of taste, a reminder of human hands shaping something enduring. Recognizing the emotional value attached to wooden crafts provides a strategic advantage when crafting a brand identity. The journey then unfolds from the workshop into the world of commerce, where creativity must intersect with strategic business practices. Many aspiring entrepreneurs underestimate how essential storytelling is to selling handcrafted goods. Every product has a narrative: the origin of the wood, the inspiration behind the design, the hours invested in shaping and polishing, and the unique imperfections that mark it as one of a kind. Customers are drawn not only to what they see, but also to what they feel through these stories. In marketing, weaving these narratives into descriptions, packaging, and even social media posts becomes a way of transforming your wooden creations from simple products into cherished treasures. With digital platforms offering unprecedented reach, even a solitary craftsperson working from a small garage or workshop can connect with customers across the globe, building a reputation that stretches far beyond their immediate community. However, creativity alone does not build a sustainable enterprise. The process of turning woodcraft into profit requires a thoughtful strategy that balances artistry with pragmatism. One of the first considerations is identifying a niche. Wooden crafts encompass an immense range of possibilities, from furniture to utensils, jewelry to wall decor, toys to custom carvings. Without focus, the business risks being diluted, leaving customers unsure of what defines your brand. Choosing a niche allows you to specialize, refine your skills, and establish a reputation in a particular market. Perhaps it is rustic kitchenware that combines durability with charm, or personalized wooden gifts that serve special occasions like weddings and anniversaries. By narrowing the focus, you create clarity not only for your customers, but also for your own growth path, because every design you produce builds on the last, sharpening your craftsmanship and deepening your expertise. Equally important is understanding pricing and value. Many newcomers to wooden crafts struggle with placing a fair price on their work, often underestimating the worth of their time, effort, and materials. This undervaluation can sabotage a business before it ever has the chance to take off. A profitable enterprise demands that you account for not just the cost of wood and tools, but also the hours spent designing, shaping, and finishing, as well as overhead expenses like electricity, packaging, and marketing. More than that, pricing must reflect the intangible qualities of your craft, the uniqueness, the artistry, the personal touch. Customers who value handcrafted wooden items are willing to pay for these qualities, but they must be guided to understand why your creation is different from a factory-produced alternative. Communicating this value clearly through branding and presentation ensures that the business is not only sustainable but also scalable. Once the fundamentals are in place, creativity, niche, pricing, and branding, the next stage involves building relationships, both with customers and with the wider community. Word of mouth remains one of the most powerful forces in promoting handcrafted businesses. Satisfied customers often become ambassadors, sharing their experiences with friends, family, and online networks. To foster such loyalty, it is crucial to maintain quality and consistency in every item produced. One poorly finished product can undo the reputation built by 10 exceptional ones. Equally, excellent customer service, prompt responses, transparent policies, and genuine appreciation for buyers creates trust, and trust is the foundation upon which profitable enterprises are built. Collaborations also offer significant growth opportunities. Partnering with local artisans, interior designers, or event planners can open doors to new markets and visibility, enhancing the credibility of your brand. The evolution of a wooden craft business is not without challenges. There will be moments when demand fluctuates, when supply costs rise, or when creative blocks slow production. Yet, it is precisely in overcoming these challenges that true entrepreneurs distinguish themselves. Resilience is essential, as is a willingness to adapt. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. For instance, as sustainability becomes a key concern for modern consumers, sourcing reclaimed or responsibly harvested wood can not only reduce costs, but also align your business with values that matter to buyers. Highlighting eco-friendly practices becomes a marketing strength, demonstrating that your enterprise respects the environment as much as it cherishes craftsmanship. Similarly, diversification may sometimes be necessary, expanding product lines gradually to respond to customer interest while staying within the chosen niche. If you began with wooden utensils, perhaps the natural next step is to offer cutting boards or spice racks, creating bundles that increase the perceived value of your offerings. Ultimately, the journey from idea to profitable enterprise in wooden crafts is one that encapsulates the very spirit of entrepreneurship. It begins with a vision, takes shape through creativity, strengthens with strategy, and flourishes through persistence and connection. A spark of creativity turns a piece of wood into something unique, and that uniqueness, when nurtured with passion and guided by sound business principles, becomes the foundation of a venture that not only sustains its creator, but also enriches the lives of customers. Wooden crafts remind us that business does not always have to be about speed, scale, or technology. Sometimes it is about returning to the simplicity of natural materials, human skill, and the joy of making something that will last. For every individual who has ever picked up a piece of wood and imagined what it could become, the path to entrepreneurship is already underfoot. The tools are in your hands, the market is waiting, and the possibilities are as endless as the patterns in the grain of the wood itself. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, try-worthy wooden crafts ideas that turn spark to success and a profitable business. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.